Next, I'm going to show you a repository or test suite that I use on one of my products. So let's go into here. You can see we've got about 20 folders, and within these folders probably 100 tests. And you can see here, this is the type of test that I'm writing here with Python. Okay, now I'm going to run this test and show you what the automation looks like. So it's just your basic flow through the web page. Okay, and so this is where I specialize in, really, is Selenium and web-based automations. And so while we're talking about code bases, when I worked with Topcon, my main task was as a automated tester. Okay, so they already had test suites set up, but they hadn't been maintained, probably untouched for nearly 12 months. So my task was to get in there, get the test suite running all on green, 100% on green again, and then to add more tests onto it. And so I worked with them for about 12 months, and in that 12 months I managed to get all the tests back up and running. All the test suite, like up to 100 tests, was running on green, and then I was optimizing, I was creating more tests, and I was fixing up other ones which were in the backlog to be fixed. And now, in the age of AI, I'm really excited to be able to integrate AI into these test suite workflows, and to see how we can use AI to actually create the tests a lot faster, and to help us make decisions as well with the tests. So that is something that I'm really looking forward to. And with my code keeping skills and version control, I use Bitbucket. Okay, so you can see here, this is Bitbucket, a few of my repositories in here, and this is what I use to keep track of my versioning control. I use Python for all of my test suites, but I am versatile and I can use other languages. For example, with Levati, they were using JavaScript, and I adapted easily to use JavaScript. And then when I worked with Topcon, I adapted easily to work with JavaScript. So yeah, most of my code base is in Python. I use PyCharm, and my whole experience as a coder and a programmer has been in Python, but I can adapt to any code necessary. So this is perfect for your business. If you have a web app that your users use and you haven't got a test suite that covers all of the user processes and the use cases yet, then this is a good chance for you to get your QA and quality assurance done on your web app.